In this video, you're going to learn how to create the best caption styles for short-form video content. Like this, I got a video here. It's 1 minute and 41 seconds. I'm going to go over that in 1 second. You got style, captions, B-rolls, boost, and I'm going to tell you what this tool is in 1 second. If you like what you see, especially with these captions, how professional they look, and you want to check this out for yourself, there's a 10% discount link that is going to be directly under the video description, in the video description box underneath this video that you are watching right now. So feel free to use it. So with that being said, let's learn how to create the best caption styles for short form content. So you can create all those shorts for TikTok or your YouTube. You know, it's creating YouTube shorts to grow your channel. And this tool is called Submagic that I'm using. And here's the first one. I'm going to show you right here. I'm going to play this real quick. Actually, I'm going to hold off. I'm just going to show you each specific one. It looks like I have to play. Want to transform your YouTube videos with cut. All right, we're going to go to each one here, and you can see down here. These are the caption styles right here. This is Devin. Hormozy was the first one. You got Ella. You got Tracy. You got Dan. You got Luke. You got all kinds of names here. You got Celine. You got Maya. You got Carl. You got Hormozy, Alex Hormozy. You probably heard of him. He's got a popular YouTuber. This is his styles. Hormozy 1, 2, and 3. William. David. Aman. Ali. Noah. This one looks cool to me. They all look good, but I got my preferences. I like Beast. Beast is probably my favorite of all of them. That's just my personal preference. But all of them look good. Devin, I like a lot. Hormozy, I like. So it's all going to just come down to what your personal preference is. And these are in a different plan that I don't have. I have the basic plan, the lower tier plan. If you get the recommended plan, which I am going to upgrade to, then you're going to get access to all of these and a lot more features that I currently don't have. And you got B-rolls, captions. You can do, if you're doing any kind of video editing and you want to grow your YouTube channel, this is the tool to have. It's an awesome tool to have in your back pocket to create professional style videos and save yourself hours and hours of time doing video editing. So I'm going to play this video right here. You can see this is complete with B-rolls and then caption I have on here. I'm going to go back to Beast and I'm going to play this. And if you like what you see, you want to check this out for yourself, like I said, 10% discount link in the video description box below. And I appreciate it if you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd appreciate that even more. So thanks for watching. And with that, I'm going to end this video on me playing this. And you can check out what this video looks like with the B-rolls and the captions included. So with that being said, I'm going to be quiet and let this video play. And then I'm going to end this video. Thanks for watching. Cutting edge AI tools, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Jay, and I've been helping content creators like you boost their video production with AI. Today, I'm excited to share an exclusive resource that will revolutionize your video editing process. Introducing Master AI Video Editing for YouTube, free ebook and video training. This comprehensive guide unlocks the secrets to creating stunning YouTube videos with AI editing. Instantly improve your content, rank higher, and achieve professional results fast. Here's what you'll get. Learn the insider secrets of AI video editing to produce professional quality videos in record time. An exclusive bonus video training, AI writing secrets exposed. Creating irresistible content with ChatGPT that ranks. Discover how to use AI tools to enhance both your video and written content, making them irresistible to your audience. Step-by-step guidance to elevate your content and stand out in a crowded market. Unlock the secrets to creating content that captivates and ranks high on the search engines, driving more traffic to your site. Don't miss out. Click the link below to get instant access to this free ebook and video training. Transform your YouTube videos today. I can't wait to see what you create with these powerful tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.